Mark Lowe, alum of the Island of Ohana. Mark, you're hanging out in Poipu. Awesome. I hope you're having a good time there. How do all of the forbearances that were forgiven play into the credit status? Man, that's some technical words over there.
Hey,
Dylan, go ahead. You got a slide.
perfect timing. Throw the next slide up. I got
All
that
right, look
slide
at
for
that,
you.
Mark. We got a slide. Look at that. We got a slide for you, buddy. Look at that. As if he knew. Go ahead, Dylan.
Yeah, this just shows the number of loans that are in active forbearance in
First of all,
millions.
Dylan, I'm gonna just excuse me. I want to
Yep.
interrupt just for me. What is First of all, let's explain Mark's question, because
Mhm.
I need to know what I'm like a normal person here. What is a forbearance, and what does it mean for giving playing to their credit? So what's a forbearance, first of all?
Yeah, it was a new word we all learned. I think all of us learned this word in 2020 when COVID hit. So what it was a policy that was passed to allow mortgage owners to delay payment of their loans. So if you applied for forbearance and were accepted, you would not have to pay on your loan during that period of time. It didn't mean the payments went away. What they were doing was adding them on the back end. And I think we've talked about this in the past on the show.
Okay.
But yeah, it just basically meant you were kind of in distress, right? You couldn't pay your mortgage, and they were giving you relief from paying your mortgage. So
So
at
you're
that
given a
time,
break. You're given a break of X amount. You're given a break of X amount of mortgage payments, and those are kind of tacked on the end of your loan. So it's not free money. It's just like a little bit of a little bit of a break.
yeah, or you could catch up and pay it
Or
off in the
catch up and pay.
future. Yeah.
Got it.
So the slide is showing the number of loans that are in active forbearance, and of course, going back to the media, they don't report on this stuff because it's not scary anymore. But this is like really good news, right? I mean, we went from almost 5 million homes in forbearance in the mid 2020 time frame to, I mean, we're down below a million today, and that's kind of like the normal number in America on how many loans are in distress. So this is like a non-issue anymore, and that's why you don't hear it reported in the news anymore, is because it's just not something that's scary, right? During the late 2020, you were hearing about the number of people in forbearance all the time. It was in the news all the time, and now that it's pretty much been resolved, everybody's caught up or been they've resolved those issues, or they've negotiated with their bank and they're just going to pay on the back end. Not an issue. So that's another good point, that we're not in a situation where there's going to be this huge flood of foreclosures come 6 months from now if the economy does something weird, because that just doesn't exist. There isn't an abnormal number of people that are in distress right now.
So basically, the general response to Mark's question is, it's not that much of a factor any longer. Basically, it's not
Non-factor.
It's not. It's a non-factor. So that's hopefully good news.